Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G, day 1 at the Yellowstone campground. It's a POTA, it's a big POTA. From the northern gate, I guess it's called the northern gate, where I entered, to the campground, inside the camp, the gate to the campground to get, the gate to the park to get to the campground. 75 miles of driving. And there was another 50 miles to get to the other gate. This place is huge, covers 3 states. I'm in Wyoming, and I haven't activated Wyoming yet on my quest to get them all activated. I'm in Chuck's motorhome, KK6USY. I'm stealing Chuck's dog, and I am stealing his FT710. Let's get this park on the air. US 0070. This is a pretty slick little radio. I might have to get me one of these. This is the FT710, 100 watts with the AESS speaker add-on. Let's see if it'll get the job done. KM9G. All right, you are also a 5-7 into my park, US 0070, QSL. All right, 73, thanks. Done, 1. That's easy. QSL, Kilo Mike 9 Golf. You are 5-5 into Wyoming. 5-5 Wyoming.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf, 5 and 3, 53 in the park.
Copy the 53. Thank you for the contact. 73. That's 2. Kilo Mike 9 Golf. Kilo Mike Niner Golf. Kilo Mike Niner Golf. QSL.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf, and you have a 3-3 in West Virginia.
All right, copy the 3-3 West Virginia. You are 5-5 in Wyoming. 5-5 Wyoming. Whiskey Yankee. All right, 73. Thanks for the contact.
You have a great day. This is the
That's 3.
Watt Bravo 9, Whiskey Lima Foxtrot.
He's calling CQDX, so I should not answer him. Let's find another one.
Kilo 6, Tango Bravo November 10405.
Kilo 6, Tango Bravo. Was it Romeo?
So oscilloscope down here is pretty nice.
Bravo November. That's what I thought. It just didn't sound right. All right. Any others?
I think that's the O Mistnet, and there's the 3D spectrum scope for you. That's pretty cool. Until you change the... Jeez. Until you change the frequency and it all just blurs. The band is just up and down today. I'm just like hearing half the conversation, fades away, hearing the other half, that fades away. It's gonna be fun getting this done. We'll make it happen. So one of the things I'm gonna do today, if I'm hunting parks, I'm not gonna tell them that it's a park to park because it will be a nightmare trying to exchange park numbers. The system handles all that stuff on the back end. If 2 contacts are made at the same time, on the same band, to the same person on each side, it's smart enough to figure it out. It's a courtesy to give your park number out. It is pretty cool, especially if you're at a twofer like this guy is. But band conditions the way they are today, you can't hear them. So get the contact and get on. Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? Kilo Mike 9 Golf. All right, nothing heard. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, CQ POTA from Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming, US 0070, Kilo Mike 9 Golf. QRZ. I got Kilo 6 Yankee. What's the rest of it? Kilo 6 Yankee Uniform Alpha. I got you 5-5 in Wyoming. All right, copy the 5-9. Thank you for the contact, 73. Nice. Kilo Mike 9 Golf. QRZ. QRP station again, please. November 2 Alpha India Echo. You are 5-9 into Wyoming.
Really 5-9? You're 5-9 into Northern California.
Yeah, you're a nice strong signal here. 5-9 both ways. I like it. 8 watts. I'm giving you 100.
73 is good luck with the activation.
All right, 73, thank you. Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ.
Kilo Charlie 9, India, Papa.
Kilo Charlie 9, India Papa Lima 59, Wyoming.
Wanted you. Yeah. This people.
This is indeed Steve. You are 59, Wyoming in my park, US 0070.
I copied with 0070. Yeah. You are 557.
Copy the 57, Indiana. Thank you for the contact, 73.
73, thank you.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ. Don't have to spot yourself when you're not QRP. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ POTA. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf from US 0070, Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming. Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ.
Whiskey 7 Echo Delta Charlie.
Whiskey 7 Echo Delta Charlie, 59 Wyoming.
Thanks, you are 55 Oregon, Oscar Romeo.
Copy the 55 Oregon. Thank you for the contact, 73. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ. Kilo Delta 9 Yankee Yankee, you are 59 Wyoming.
You are 59 Indiana, 59 Indiana.
Copy the 59 Indiana. Thank you for the contact, 73. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Oscar X-ray November.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Oscar X-ray November, QSL. Already got the QSL, then you faded out. You were, until you faded out, a 59 Wyoming.
Copy 59 Wyoming. Can I get the call sign one more time? I think I got Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
Roger, Roger, Kilo Mike 9 Golf. What is my signal report, please?
You are solid 5-4 for Lewis, Missouri. Also, I want to love the video.
All right, thank you very much for that. I got the 5-4 Missouri, and I'm making a video right now. This is Yellowstone in Wyoming, so I will, hopefully you can hear your side of the conversation. All right, thank you very much, 73. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ. Whiskey Zulu 3 Juliet, I got you a 4-4 Wyoming, 4-4 Wyoming, QSL. Whiskey Zulu 3 Juliet, 4-4 Wyoming. Copy the 4-2 Mike Delta. Good to hear you. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf. 4-2 Mike Delta from you. 4-4 Whiskey Yankee from me. QSL, QSL. Thank you for the contact. 73. I think he's talking to the other guy that's talking on my frequency. I'm going to negative contact that one, and I'm going to spin the dial. I can hear him. I think he's Alpha Alpha 0 Whiskey, but I'm waiting for confirmation. I got the US 2495. Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
Kilowatt Mike 9 Golf. 59 into US 2495.
Copy 59 into US 2495. You are 59 as well in Wyoming.
Okay, here we go. Thanks for the state of Wyoming. Kilo Mike 9 Golf. 0AW. Thanks for getting in the log. 73.
73, thank you. And I think he said AA0AW, so now I'm going to listen to him again. Alpha Alpha 0 Alpha Whiskey. All right, got him. So real quick, I am in Chuck's RV and I am borrowing Chuck's radio. If you're going to borrow somebody's radio, just make sure before you touch it that you are comfortable buying it. If you mess it up, that would be the polite thing to do, and I am comfortable buying this radio if I screw it up. Or make sure that the operator is present. Either one of those two makes it kosher for me. Maybe it makes it kosher for you. Would you use somebody else's radio without them present, without their knowledge? Chuck and I go way back. I know Chuck's okay with me using the radio. But what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. That's my feeling. I can buy this radio if I mess it up, so I'm going to go ahead and play with it. And Chuck and I are friends, so those two things make it okay for me. And I'd feel the same way if Chuck borrowed my radio. I know that he'd replace it if he broke it, and there we go. Alpha Alpha 0 Alpha Whiskey was my 10th contact. We'll see if we can get anybody else. It looks to me like Chuck has got a prototype version of our Poseidon antenna. And then he's got some orange radials going out in all different directions. Right up into the sunlight. It is always a gorgeous day to be in a park, and Yellowstone itself is no slouch as a park. If you guys have an opportunity to visit Yellowstone, put it on your bucket list. Make it happen. This is Chuck's Motorhome. This is KM9G signing off.